The equation are given 2k power x under the root is equal to 8. How to solve this equation for x? Now we solve this equation for x. Solution. First we write the equation 2k power x under the root is equal to 8. So 2k power x under the root is equal to 8 can be written 2k power 3. So now we can apply log, taking log both side, taking log both side. So the above equation become log 2k power x under the root is equal to log 2k power 3. Here we can apply the property of log. The property of log is equal to log a की power b is equal to b the power come to the coefficient b log a. So this is the general property of log. This property apply to the above equation. So the x under root become come to the coefficient in log 2 and 3 की power also come to the coefficient in log 2. So the both side of the equation log 2 are same. They cancel one another. So the remaining x की power x under root is equal to 3. So the value of under root is equal to 1 over 2. So we finish the 1 over 2. So taking square root both side of the above equation. So the equation become x under the root is equal to 2 power 2 and 3 की power 2. So the under root and 2 cancel one another because the under root value is 1 over 2 and 3 की power 2 is equal to 9. Now we can write the value of under root is 1 over 2. This is the solutions of the above equation. X is equal to 9. So the whole equation is that. Now we can solve this type of equation with yourself and try to solve.